My favourite ways to barbecue corn is how nature gave it to us. Whole corn, straight out of charcoal, but first a 20-minute soaking. The corn in. After 20 minutes, drain the corn. Peel open the husks, but do not take it right off. Remove the silk from the end of the corn. 50 grams of unsalted butter, 5 grams of sweet smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon salt. With your paprika butter, give that a nice coating from top to bottom. Now wrap up, starting from the inside layers of the husk, and close all that in. And then clamp some wire on the end. Kitchen wire goes on the side. Now that's going to steam and barbecue in its own juices and butter. It's going to be beautiful. Straight over the top. These will take around 20 minutes. And I'll be turning those every minute or so until it becomes charred and wonderful. That's what you want to see. Nice bit of charring. Husks filled with 800 kernels of corn are smelling beautiful. I can just hear it just ticking away, poaching in that butter and their own juices, getting a nice little smokiness with that paprika. Almost done. They are ready to come off. So straight onto a tray. Have a look here. I'll just take one of these out and pop out the secure wire. And then just gently peel back. Here it is here. A little bit of a handle. Just a little bit of salt. And I'm going in. That is something else. Thank you, nature. Awesome.